To add a zoom blur effect to your video, click on the layer you want to apply it to, come over to the right side to the layer button, click on that, and here under effects, click on the plus button, and in the drop down here, click on the thing that says zoom blur towards the bottom. Click on that, and you can see it applied it. It has that blurry motion looking effect. And if you click on these dials, these are your effect settings. You can change how intense that blur is. By default, it's at 50%, but you can click and slide it to the left to make it less intense, all the way back to its starting point at 0, and all the way up to 100% where it's super blurry. And then you can also change if it's offset. So 50-50 means it's going to be like a middle zoom. It's going to be like a dead center zoom. But if you move it to the right, you can see you get that like light distortion effect where it moves it up and down, left and right, depending on if you adjust the X or Y axis. And then there's presets. So there's like a top left where you get the motion light rays moving down to the bottom right, or there's bottom center, which looks like this. If you like this video, check out this one next. I highly recommend it.